12th of October 2022. This was hilariously difficult because there was a lot of rush here, but we got inside it.
Yeah.
And once, well, it was Mariankatu 25, but staircase C.
Yeah.
Yeah. We still have the staircase A left to be filmed here. We filmed the staircase B here also.
Yeah.
They're all beautiful. But this one has quite a strange light, I think.
Mm.
In 2004. H226. Reserves the rights and request these for process of employment. You do not give up this Finland.
Inspected by Kivines and maintained by Kone.
Yes. Takes a little while until it closes.
Yeah.
But the staircase A has the metal plate. And I mean, it's B we have left still.
Yeah.
It's because staircase A is in the middle, B is to the right side, and this one is to the left side. Very unusual.
Yeah.
So we have B left. But it's weird that the original metal plate was removed here.
Yeah.
But the name was preserved. So
That's
thank you very much.